Hey guys. Hello everyone. I think we're live. Let me just check for a moment. Yes, and we're live. Okay. So how are you today? Today I want to talk about leads, and I'm gonna really build a lead generation funnel in within minutes in front of you and show you how you can start getting leads to your funnel. Okay. So hey Rita, hey Sandy, how are you? So, first of all, what are leads? Leads are people who subscribe to your email list. So, leads are people who subscribe to your email list. Are you guys seeing that? Are you seeing my screen? Give me a yes if you're seeing my screen. Okay, just give me a yes. Hit yes if you're seeing my screen. Leads are people who subscribe to your email list. Okay. So why do you need leads? Why leads? Why email marketing? What good does it get you to do email marketing? So first of all, email marketing is the best way to retarget people who are interested in your business. Okay. Now, most of you know this already, but I need to re-clarify this for everyone. Email marketing is the best type of marketing you can do. It's the best type because you're marketing to warm leads. You have your leads are your warm audience, and you're retargeting them with email newsletters and email automations to get them to buy. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is build a lead generation funnel. Okay, I'm gonna build a lead generation funnel right in front of you and show you how easy it is to make this work, to make people give you their email. And it's gonna look like this one. Okay, and I think you're familiar with this page, you're familiar with this offer. Right here on this page, let me just refresh again. All right, so right here on this page, I'm promoting a very good training, a free 4-day training to help you start your own business, okay? And what I'm doing right here, I'm pushing you to give me your email, okay, in order to get the training. So when you hit get instant access, I'm gonna tell you enter your name, and then I'm gonna tell you to enter your email. All right, so when you hit this button, when you put your email, I'm gonna add your email automatically. It's gonna be added to my email list. Okay, so let's see. So once I have this in place, I only have to send traffic to this page, and it will automatically push people to enter their emails. Okay, I won't be asking anyone manually. It's gonna be automated to grow my list. Okay, and I'm gonna do this right now inside of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the tool that helps you make funnels, and you can build really any type of funnel you want. Okay, and we're gonna build today a lead generation funnel. So what you need to do is just go into funnels inside your account, click add new, and you can just pick one of these, like the classic funnel builder. You can start building your funnel from zero, or you can choose templates that they put in a cookbook. They call it a cookbook, okay? Because you can just choose any template of funnel you want, and it's completely free. So step one, what is the funnel type? The funnel type is gonna be a lead generation funnel. So I wanna generate leads, and it's gonna show me a bunch of templates that I can use. And the one I really suggest you use is the squeeze page funnel. Okay, you're gonna learn all of that inside my free training. All right, so the free training is, if you're watching this, the free training is in the description of this video. So once I'm done with this, why don't you just click on the button, click on the link to the free training, and it's gonna take you to this page. And once you give me your email, I'm gonna give you the 4-day training. So let's go back to the funnel. I can choose any of these template funnels. They're already done. All I have to do is just change the images, change the copy, and I'm good. So let's choose this template and click Get Funnel. So we have to wait for it to load. Let's see. Okay, so these are the funnel steps, okay? These are the funnel steps that you can change, and it consists of 2 steps. The first is a squeeze page, it's the opt-in page, and the second is the thank you page, okay? So let's go ahead and edit this page. So I'm gonna hop into the page editor, and you can see how easy it's gonna be. It's just very simple to edit. It's simple drag and drop editing. Look at that. Okay, you don't need websites. You don't need anything fancy. All you need is this squeeze page. Okay, so it's really it's optimized. Okay, to push people to click on this button. It's optimized to push people to give you their email in exchange for what we call an ethical bribe. So what I'm doing here is I'm pushing you to give me your email in exchange for a free 4-day training, and that's gonna give you all of that, okay? And right here, you can really do the same. You can just change your image. You can put your image right here, click on it, just click on this image button, and I can just put my image right here. I don't know if the sizing is gonna be good, but I don't care right now. It's just, okay, that's good. And maybe here you can put a logo. I'm gonna leave this one today. I can change the text. So maybe, I don't know, like passive, we call it passive income handbook. Okay, and here you can just put the copy, any type of headline that's gonna be catchy. Okay, so discover what you need to know about setting up and running a profitable online business. Okay, this sounds like really nice. And what's inside? My step-by-step blueprint for unlimited wealth. You really can't miss this one. Okay, so these are optimized to generate you leads, to get people to click here. And once they click here, guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna show you this pop-up. But before, I'm gonna show you how you can really edit anything. Like, yes, please show me how. And you can change the colors, and you can really do whatever you want with anything. Okay, that's how simple it is. Now, when you click on it, it says opens the pop-up. You can really make it like redirect to a website or take you to Facebook or whatever, but I'm gonna leave it as is. It's gonna say open the pop-up, and now I'm gonna edit the pop-up right here. So I'm gonna put my image also. Okay, so this looks nice, and maybe write my name. Guys, again, this is too easy. If you give it to a 5-year-old and like show them how to write on a keyboard, how to type on a keyboard, they're gonna know how to edit this, okay? So let's say, okay, sign me up, it's gonna submit to the page, and here you can just tell them enter your email address. And this is gonna say sign me up. Let's make it red like the other button, so it's gonna be good. Okay, it's gonna look good, okay? So what I really need to do next is one very important thing, guys. Now, all I need to do is go to my email service provider, okay? My email service provider is GetResponse. I'm using GetResponse, and this is the service that really helps me to send out newsletters and create a list. Okay, so I already have created the list. I'm going to show you in another tutorial how you can set this up and sign up for any other email service. But the fact is that you can just create any type of list, okay, and you need to integrate this with ClickFunnels. So what I'm going to do is go back to settings, click integrations, okay, and I'm going to integrate my get response. Now again, this I did that, and I will show you how to do this exactly in another video. But right now I want to show you how easy it is to integrate. I've integrated my account from GetResponse to this exact funnel inside ClickFunnels. So GetResponse integration, I'm going to click, the action is add to campaign, and it's going to push them to my ClickFunnels list, okay? So I have a list, it's called ClickFunnels list. I named it like that. And ClickFunnels knows now that whenever someone puts their email inside this pop-up, they're going to automatically add them to my list right here. And inside this list, I can really send them any type of message. Okay, so here I have one going right now, and I can create any newsletter inside and push it to my leads. Okay, this is too simple, guys. I'm going to save this. Remember to save it and go back. Now there's one more element we need to edit, and it's the thank you page. So we go back to the thank you page. And it's going to take a while. So we're going to be inside the thank you page, but now I want to show you just how the opt-in page looks, how clean it looks. I'm sorry for the bad internet. I guess there's something wrong. Yeah, it's an internet problem, I think. So now we're going to edit the thank you page, okay? It's the same thing again. All right, guys? Now here, you can tell them what they're going to do next. You can write good copy that says, I'm going to show you how to write the best copy inside my training right here. Okay, so you write the copy, you change the image, and you make, if you want to put a button inside, if you want to put your email to contact you. So anything you want to do, you can do inside these pages. And let me show you how you can add more elements. Just go back to elements, hit add element, and you have all these elements to add. If you want to add a video on your thank you page, and this is really, really awesome, guys, you can just drag it right here, put it under your photo, or maybe here, and if you just host your video on YouTube, and you can link it back here. So you put the video URL right here. Okay, that's how simple it is. Okay, and you can place any button and make any button do whatever you want. All right. This is how simple, guys, to create a lead generation funnel. I've created this like in literally, I don't know, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I don't know how long I've been on this video, but that's how easy and simple it is to create a lead generation funnel, no matter what type of business you're running. It might be an e-commerce business. It might be an affiliate business, a personal brand. You can be a social media agency. Whatever business you have, you can just put a lead generation funnel in place, just run traffic to it, and watch as your email list grows and grows automatically. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you're getting the value from it. I'm going to be sharing and doing live videos. I want to try to do it daily. Okay, I want to try to give you live videos every single day, and I hope you really get the value. Once again, go back to the link, just hit this link right here. Okay, it's going to take you to this page, and once you subscribe, you're going to go into a 4-day training that's going to show you how to start your own business online, how to start earning passive income. It's going to show you exactly how to use ClickFunnels to do it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.